Hey everybody, I'm back, about to season some chicken. So I'll be using this chicken seasoning. I'm so excited. I'm about to use my air fryer for the first time. And I have some chicken thighs here. It's not a lot coming out. I'm using air fryer for the first time. So I don't know what to expect. I've gotten so many raves about it. This is a little Laurie's. Little roasted garlic. So I'm putting 4 thighs in. It looks like it could fit all 4. 2 still have the skin on, and the other 2 have it off. Alright, and I'm going to use this turmeric. This is organic. I just got this. Give this a try. Should have had this open already. How you guys doing today? Hope everybody's doing well. I know some of you already have an air fryer, and I bet it works well. So yeah, I was able to finally get me one, and I'm so excited. So guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is it. It's made by Bella, and per the instructions, for whole pieces of chicken, it would take 25 minutes on 400. It's a little noisy, but it smells so good in here already. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, what would be a good side? I have these leftover veggies from a previous night. It's carrots, green beans, corn, sweet peas. I think I put butter and a little salt and pepper on it. Or should I go for a fresh salad? I have all the fixings. A nice salad. I add a little fresh avocado in it. And I was thinking about putting some grapes in it. I don't want these to go to waste. Could make my own dressing. I have this garlic expressions vinaigrette. I don't know, guys. Stay tuned. Let's see what I decide. Okay, here's the finished product. Nice and crispy. I did not put any flour or anything on it. Just seasoned it. This is one that doesn't have skin on it. It still turned out crispy. Alright, now as far as the sides, we decided to go with a fresh salad. This is what I had already. Some boiled egg, fresh avocado, seasoned croutons, and grapes. And of course, lemon and lime. My girls just love when I take my time and just prepare something thoughtful for them. Alright. Here's the salad. This is butter salad. Like I said, this is garlic vinaigrette. It has huge garlic cloves in here, so hopefully none falls in. If it does, oh well, it's good for us. Alright, you guys, bon appetit. Thanks for stopping by. You guys be blessed.